Hello, today I would like to show you something that I believe might be one of the smallest CFL bulbs. When you think of CFL bulb, most likely you are going to picture one of those two devices with the Edison 27, the Edison 14 thread, and it is a direct replacement for your regular bulb. Like 20 years ago they were very common. And the compact fluorescent tube means that inside that plastic thing we've got the all driving elements that are making your tube glow. So inside we've got the electronic ballasts. So in the light fixture you do not have any electronic or electric components, you do not have starter, you do not have a choke, you just supply 220 240 volts and it just glowing. Everything is contained. This is why it's compact. Exactly the same with this unit. We've got two poles that allow you connect it directly to your AC source, and it can be 220 to 240 volts, and it's going to draw a 9 watt of power. The company is Vega and the model number is CFL 9 GX53, and that GX53 is that mounting option. So this is like the Edison 14 GX53. So if you are going to be looking for replacement, this is the exactly thread that you are going to need to look for. I advise you spend just one moment to see how beautiful and small it is. Just take a look at my finger. This is how small it is. It is extremely compact unit. So we've got our CFL tube, and that's basically all. This unit have failed and I take it out from my kitchen fixture, and this is the replacement that I've got. So we are going to make a tear down of that unit, and we are going to check how nicely lit up the new one. Is there anything interesting? Let's take a look. Made in Germany? No, made in China actually. Here we've got the old and the new one. I purchased that one with a lower Kelvin temp, so it should be more warm. That do not turn completely. We've got the same thread as you can see, and here is the model number of a new one. So let's try to power it on, and it completely do not work. I disabled some of my studio light, and this is what we've got. We've got absolutely beautiful warm diffused light. So absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look and open the broken one so we can try to guess what's wrong with it. It's got over 10 years, so I've got absolutely no problem in replacing it. But let's try to take a look. Maybe it is just some capacitor or something obvious. It looks like it was glue. And here it is. Here is our tiny driver board. And as you can see, it is extremely beautiful and extremely compact. I was trying to pry it so we can take a look, but it's going to be destructive. So I think I'm going to pass on that. Or maybe not. So here is our tube, and I will have to put it into a recycle bin for the CFL tubes because it might contain a mercury. Do we see anything definitely burned? I do not see. Here is a fuse. We might check it out. I'm on the continuity meter, and the fuse is okay. I can hear a beep, so this is not our problem. The capacitor looks okay, but if it will pop, most likely the fuse is going to be problem. If the bridge rectifier is going to be fail, they are most likely failing short. So maybe after that 10 years, just the element goes bad. We could possibly check that transistor. Let's try to take it out. Just like that. And let's try to hook up our meter. It passed like a working NPN transistor. Because the transistor is okay, fuse is okay, capacitor is okay, I do not see anything more. I would have to start checking each and every passive component, and most likely it's going to end up that one of those resistive heating elements at the end of those tubes is going to be burned. I'm going to give a pass on it, and we've got an absolutely beautiful working replacement, but I still hope you like it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.